Stellars! Welcome back to Tarotella. So, meron po tayo ngayong pick a card reading sa Tarotella PH, and this is about mga separated, no, or no communication, or recently nagkaroon kayo ng hidwaan. Ayan, so parang gusto nyong malaman kung ano yung nangyayari sa person nyo, o meron ba silang balak na makipag-usap sa inyo, no? So, meron po tayo ditong tatlong cards. First pile natin is with Lapis Lazuli. So, papakita ko lang po ang Lapis Lazuli. This is Lapis Lazuli. So, I hope nag-zoom in siya. Ayan. So, yan ang Lapis Lazuli. And then, meron tayo dito moon shape na rose quartz. Ayan. At dito naman ay pile number 2. So, if you think na nakakapag-resonate yung energy nyo sa rose quartz or lapis lazuli, so mamili lang po kayo dito, no? Sa pile number 1, pile number 2, at pile number 3 naman is citrine. Ayan. So, very raw ang ating citrine stone, no? And very elegant ang kanyang energy. So, ayan. So, mamili lang po kayo sa tatlong yan at mag-start po ako sa pile number 1 with Lapis Lazuli. Hello, Stellars! Welcome back to Tarotella. So, ito po ay para sa mga namili or pumili ng pile number 1 na Lapis Lazuli. Ayan po ang Lapis Lazuli. So, put aside natin to at tingnan natin ang card na napili. We have High Priestess. So, this is a definite energy na pinagdadasal kayo nitong tao na to, or they are missing you. But hindi sila nakikipag-usap kasi for some reason na ayaw nilang maging worse ang case nyong dalawa, no? So, yun ang nakikita ko. Ayaw nilang magkaroon ng stressful moments with you. But let's see what are the tarot cards. We have Two of Cups. So, mahal ka pa nitong tao na to. Gusto ka niyang balikan. Namimiss ka rin nitong tao na to very much. Yan. Although, they are stopping themselves. So, parang pinipigilan nila na makipag-usap sa inyo. Very manipulative energy itong The Magician. Nakikita ko kahit mahal ka nila, nami-miss ka nitong tao na to, parang pinipigilan nila makipag-usap sa iyo. Kasi yung Magician has an energy of manipulation. Sometimes, kahit marami siyang resources, ayaw niyang mag-give in. Although, minamanifest ka nitong tao na to secretly, they are not using their resources yet kasi nakikita ko wala pang movement to. In Two of Cups, they still love you, they still miss you, they adore you. We have the Three of Pentacles. So, may possibility na mag-rebuild itong relationship yung dalawa or magkaroon ulit ng communication. Yan, there's a possibility. But it really takes some time here and also a lots of prayers. Nakikita ko kasi there's Three of Pentacles. This is not just you, hindi lang ikaw ang nag-work and makikipag-collaborate itong person mo, no? Hindi lang kayong dalawa, but you also need the power of God, the power of, Holy Spirit, ganyan. O kung sino man pinaniniwalaan mo. But I'm saying that without any like a higher power, no? Hindi possible na magbalikan kayo nitong person na to. So, kailangan may higher power or may faith kayo, no? Kung kanino man kayo may faith. Yon. So, one more card, universe. Okay, we have the King of Wands. This is a very strong energy that they are still passionate for you. They are missing you so much. Coming from the High Priestess kasi this is a deep thinker person. A very deep thinker itong person na to. And I am seeing na they miss your physical touch, yung physical kisses, yon. King of Wands is all about that. King of Wands is very passionate energy. So, nakakita ko na may pag-asa naman itong relationship nyo mag-rekindle. But let's see the other situations na makikita natin sa Oracle cards. Universe, please give us the message for pile number 1. what are the other situationships or energies na nandito sa kanilang person. We have hopeless. Okay, so may mga tao na feeling nila hopeless in case na ito. They are feeling in sinking deep, parang ganun. Parang nafe-feel nila kasi na hindi na kayo interesado or parang gano'n nung nakakita ko hopeless case scenario. We have times, like I mentioned earlier, 'di ba? It will take some time kasi kailangan both of you are having faith na mag-rekindle itong relationship na ito. Yeah, there's a waiting period here. We have foundation. For some of you, meron kayong anak nitong person na 'to. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate dito, hindi 'to para sa'yo. Okay, a lot of the majority ng pumili ng pile number 1, not just some of you, I'm seeing a majority of you, meron kayong anak nitong person na 'to. Okay, and for some of you are feeling hopeless. Someone is feeling hopeless, no? Okay, so tingnan natin what else we have here. Possibilities, yes. There's a very strong possibility na magbalikan kayo nitong person na to. Re-establishing your connection with them. Let's see kung ano yung mga blockages or challenges dito. Using the shadow love, tingnan natin kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit may delay at any challenges in your situation. We have cuts both ways, good and bad aspects. Mixed blessings, division. So, may division kayo dito ng decision, no? So, siguro, both of you really needed to cut off or both of you decided na mag-cut off ng relationship. Parang ganon. Because you have different goals. Yun ang nakakita ko dito. But you have a child or you have 2 kids or one child dito. Nakakita ko. And forgiving. So, they didn't mean to hurt you. Yeah. Hindi nila meant na masaktan ka kasi they truly love you. You have 2 of cups earlier sa tarot mo. No? But you are holding on to it. Forgiving helps you get past it. So, kailangan nyo ng forgiveness dito. Kaya nga, if you don't have faith, you cannot forgive. Alam mo yon. Okay, so, negativity. Like a dark cloud above, you are depressed, extreme mood. So, may mga depression na nangyayari dito. Or may energy of depression. You have to heal your depression for you to rekindle this relationship. Any form of negativity will definitely magkakaroon ng block dito kung may form of negativity. So, let's go to confessions. Any channeled messages for you guys, no? Tingnan natin ang mga channeled messages ng pile number 1 na pumili ng lapis lazuli. Let's see about that. Okay, let's see. We have, I can't promise you anything. Yan. So, parang hindi sila sure kung kaya nilang gampanan yung sasabihin nila sa yung promise. Parang ganun. Kasi hindi sila confident dito. Wala silang confidence sa sarili nila. Wala silang kumpiyansa sa sarili nila. Or someone here, it could be you or your person, no? You can't promise anything kasi parang hindi mo sure kung kaya mong gampanan. We have here, is it over? So, may questionable na situation kung over na ba talaga or ending na talaga ng inyong relationship or magbabalikan pa. Parang yun yung most of your negative thoughts, no? Parang ito yung tanong no? Is it over? Or your person's negative thoughts, parang tapos na ba talaga? Parang ganun. Iniisip nila. So, I'm afraid to lose you. So, definitely, very afraid sila. Kasi meron silang King of Wands. No? May King of Wands sa inyong energy. Both of you have King of Wands. So, they are really scared to lose this relationship. Okay, don't treat me the way you do. I don't deserve it. So, meron pa rin kindness dito. And based on insecurity itong energy na to. Na-insecure ka siguro because you're not able to parang give good results kung ano yung ine-expect ng person nyo. May expectation itong person nyo or meron kayong expectation sa relationship na hindi kayang gampanan. Although, nagbibigay pa din ng time, nagbibigay ng effort ng energy, pero hindi kayang gampanan yung parang hindi mo kayang tumbasan yung pagmamahal ng other person. So, yun ang energy na nakikita ko dito sa mga channel messages. Let's see other channel messages here. Okay, we have, I cannot listen to your voice. It affects my soul. So, ayan, very dramatic, no? Mag-usap lang kayo, parang naapektuhan na sila. Kaya siguro hindi nila tinitake yung calls mo or they don't want to meet you personally, parang ganun. We have here, I cannot be vulnerable with you. I'd rather hide my darkness before I let you see inside me. So, ayaw nila maging vulnerable dito. Kasi nga, may insecurity dito eh. Na energy. So, let's see what else. One last. My pride and ego got hurt, so I wanted revenge. I wanted to hurt you too. So, parang, they don't mean to hurt you, but yung ego talaga nila nandun. No? So, insecure and may ego itong person na to. Yon. So, it's either you or your person. Just take whatever that resonates kasi hindi naman lahat applicable sa iyo at hindi naman lahat applicable sa person nyo. But if you think this is your reading, give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Stellars, love and light. Namaste. Hi, Stellars. So, dito naman tayo sa pile number 2 na pumili ng moon shape na rose quartz. Okay, so let's put this aside and then let's see kung ano yung first card nyo. We have the Hierophant. So, I am sensing na this person is committed to you for a very long time. It's either you are married to this person or magjowa kayo for more than 5 years, ganyan. There's a long commitment with the both of you, or it's leading to live-in relationship, parang ganon. No, any form of long committed relationship, no, ito yung the Hierophant. And for majority of you, married kayo nitong person na separated kayo. We have 5 of Wands. There's a lot of tension between the two of you. Sobrang daming tension, sobrang daming arguments, no. I'm not sure if this is a healing process sa mga nanonood, no, but let's see kung ano pa yung sasabihin ninyo. We have the 10 of Wands. Oh my God. For pile number 2, grabe yung energy, sobrang tigas ng ulo. And we have the 10 of Wands. This is an energy of a burden or responsibility na medyo nakaka-bother, no? At hindi siya healthy kasi it has a 5 of Wands energy as well. So, whatever responsibility this may be, no, hindi siya very healthy for the both of you. Very mabigat itong dinadala mo. Itong separation nyo, it led to bigger responsibility, no? Siguro naging single mom or single husband ka. Single dad pala. Okay, we have the death card. There's a very strong energy na hindi possible na mag-reconcile kayo or manumbalik yung love nyo, because I don't see any love here. Even though you are married or committed for a very long time, I don't see any love. Parang one of you nag-decide na talaga na tuluyang makipaghiwalay or hindi na makipagbalikan. That's the death card on the 4th position of this spread. So, okay. Ang challenge kasi dito, hindi kayo nagkakasundo kahit anong mangyari. We have here King of Swords. Okay, I think may possibility naman na makipag-communicate itong person na to due to the responsibilities here with the 10 of Wands. Maybe may anak kayo, maybe may business kayo, or maybe meron kayong binabayaran, ganyan. Both of you needs to be responsible enough, no, para magampanan itong 10 of Wands. Kasi ito yung nakikita kong bridge lang sa inyong dalawa for you to communicate. But there's no love here. I don't see any love. The King of Swords is not about love. It's about direction, very frank, very honest as well, ano? And very direct. Very direct yung pagsasabi niya. Wala siyang paligoy-ligoy. Okay, hindi siya nagfi-filter ng gusto niyang sabihin dito. Yan ang King of Swords. But there's gonna be an communication. Nakikita ko na may communication kayo nitong person. So we have 2 owls here. No? 2 type. Ay, hindi pala owl to. Cat to. Tapos may bird pang isa. So, I think, yung person na to, mahilig din to sa pets. Okay, so let's see the other oracle cards, kung ano yung sasabihin ng oracle cards natin regarding this tarot. Spirit guys, please give us the message for pile number 1. Let's see kung ano yung sasabihin ng universe. We have here heart, fog, mixed signals, blocked emotion, messed up. So, you really messed up this relationship. Sobrang messed up itong relationship yung dalawa. Kasi hindi kayo nagkakasundo. Hindi, kung ano yung gagawin ng isa, hindi nyo mabasa yung isa't isa. Yung parang hindi kayo synchronized, parang ganon. Hindi kayo sync together. Okay, and there's no love. Walang love. Kahit may mixed signals, walang love. We have resistance. Ayan. Okay. So, secret admirer. So, nagre-resist pa itong person na to, or very stubborn energy ito. Although they admire you, yung siguro, responsible kang person, breadwinner ka, or sino man yung breadwinner sa inyo, there's admiring the other person aside from being tag dito, distant, emotionally distant to each other, no? May resistance pa din dito. Very stubborn energy. We have here boundaries. No. Drawing din. Ito nga. Enough. Ito nga yung death card. Kanina pa ako nagsha-shuffle. So, kinalify niya lang yung death card. So, definitely, there's a strong no and ending na talaga ng relationship nyo, no? Parang hindi na to babalik or hindi na magbabalikan. Okay? It's up to you. We have your time. Okay, someone is waiting. Parang yung pile number, pile number 1. May time din sila. And, I think this person tried to be very patient, pero parang naubos yung patience niya. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Let's see about the other challenges using the Shadow Love Oracle cards. Let's see kung ano yung mga challenges dito sa inyong relationship na pwede nating makita. Spirit guys, please give us a message for pile number 2. We have deadly combo, dangerous one together, triggering explosive. Ito nga yung nakakaloka tong energies niyo. Kasi meron kang 5 of wands dito. Ito. Ayan o, 5 of wands. So, may deadly combo kayo. So, pag nagsama talaga kayo, para kayong bombang sumasabog. Yung talagang, mag-aaway kayo. Hindi kayo magkakasundo. Okay. Kaya may, grabe, kina-clarify ng oracle cards yung mga natin, mga tarot. We have tangled web, convoluted justifications, caught up in trance. So, parang natrap lang kayo sa isang, relationship. Someone trapped you in a relationship. Parang hindi naman talaga kayo supposedly to be together. Yun ang nakikita ko. Or someone arranged or dictate to you kung ano yung relationship nyo. Parang ganun. May nagdidikta. But somebody got caught, no? Baka third-party relationship yan. Okay, so let's see. Okay, demanding. Someone is very unrealistic dito. So, meron siyang expectation sa partner niya na hindi magampanan ng partner. It's up to you kung ikaw ba yun or yung person that you have in mind. But let's see kung ano yung other channeled messages naman tayo ngayon. Okay. Ano yung channeled messages? Spirit guys, please give us the message for pile number 2. Okay, we have, I can't do this right now. So, itong person na to, iwas talaga siya sa'yo eh. Ayaw niya makipag-communicate eh. Wala siyang wala siyang tawag dito. Wala siyang pakialam. Yun ang nakikita ko. Kahit may gusto kang sabihin, wala siyang kiber. Ganon. We have, will you leave me like others? Ayan. So, parang ngayon natatakot pang maiwan dito. Kasi parang meron kang issue of abandonment. Someone has an issue with abandonment. Kasi hindi lang ito yung first time na na-abandon ka. We have here, no one understands me but you. Ayan. So, parang pinipilit nilang magstay ka dito kasi ikaw lang yung nakakaintindi. Or ikaw, or siya lang yung nakakaintindi sa'yo. Vice versa itong role na to. So, someone here, parang pinipilit niya magstay yung person kasi nobody understand them. Yung mga trauma nila. Yun. Yung mga ganon. Okay, let's see what else. I can't make you happy. So, ayan. Kaya siguro may separation dahil you are both not happy together. Okay. So, let's see. Other confessions. Spirit guides, please give us a message for pile number 2. We have, it's too late. I moved on and I do not wish to reconnect. Do not wish to reconnect. Ano ba yan? Sorry, guys. Nalabo kasi ng mata ko. So, ito nga. Kasi may death card ka kanina, remember? So, definitely may absolute ending ang inyong relationship nitong person na to. They don't want to reconnect. Rejecting you was protecting myself. I was being selfish. So, someone is very selfish dito sa situation nyo. Kaya kanila ni-reject kasi parang iniisip lang nila yung sarili nila. Oo. I feel cold and detached from this connection. I can't feel emotions right now. So, hindi nila na-feel talaga yung love. Wala talagang love. Parang paulit-ulit lang yung energy nitong pile number 2. Hindi nila ma-feel na may love dito sa situation or hindi nila ma-feel yung love nila para sa'yo. Or someone here is not feeling the love. So, kung hindi man ikaw yon or yung person mo pala yon, no? So, take whatever that resonates with you. I hope this helped and clarify some energies within your no communication situation ngayon. So, I'll see you next time, Stellars. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Stellars! Welcome back to Taratella. So, ito naman ang pile number 3 na pumili ng napaka-elegant looking na citrine. Ayan. So, let's set this aside. Ayan. Put this aside. At let's see. Ito yung the world, no? Meron kang the world energy dito. So, this could be an energy of something that has to end because may next chapter na nakaantabay para sa'yo. Parang ganun. Okay, so let's see kung ano ang energies. So, recently, you are separated. Something has to end. You have decided to end things or you decided na hindi mo na makipag-communicate. Yung end mo na ng communication. Parang ganun. Okay. Oh. There's so much love in this connection. The pile number 3. 10 of Cups. You still want to communicate. Yes. You still want to communicate with this person and this person still loves you. I think may cycle kayo na nakipag-break tas balikan na naman. Break tas balikan na naman. Parang ganon. They have strong attachment towards you. Yes, the lovers. Guys, you are very much in love with this person and this person in love with you. No doubt. Okay, we have that 10 of Cups, the Empress, and the Lovers. Very strong energy of love. Ano pa bang hanap nyo? Okay, let's see. And may possibility na makipag-communicate ulit itong person na to kasi they are your soulmate. A lot of you. 4 of Cups. Parang magkakaroon din ng rejection dito. Parang pag nakipag-communicate itong person na to or ikaw makipag-communicate, parang hindi pa nila tuluyang i-accept yung apology or i-accept yung communication. Parang mag-iisip pa sila dito with the Four of Cups. Kasi, um, they're looking at something else or someone else, no? Yung nag-end yung communication nyo, although nandito pa rin yung love, kasi parang hindi ko pa nakikita yung conflict, but later on, I will see the conflict. No, there's still so much love, so much care, no, sa bawat isa. But I think meron silang gustong i-reject dito yung communication na everyday kayo nakikipag-communicate with this person. They need some time to be alone here with the Four of Cups. That's why they're rejecting the love that you'd like to give, or someone here is rejecting the love kasi gusto nila na makakapag-isip muna sila. Yung parang makapag-isip-isip, parang ganun yung Four of Cups energy. Parang tamad pa sila makipag-communicate sa inyo. Okay, let's see the oracle cards here. What are the situation? Oh, trapped, stuck, tied down, captive, stuck at the moment, yun yung feeling nila. Parang kahit they care for you, parang they feel trapped, parang siguro suffocated sila dito sa relationship nyo. Baka may suffocation silang nafe-feel, or this is your energy. So, vice versa po ito. No, someone here is feeling stuck. Hindi sila makamove. Parang wala silang freedom. Kaya siguro, ayaw mo nila makipag-usap kasi gusto nila maging free muna. We have soul... I told you, you guys are soulmates. Very deep love ito. Kasi ni Ten of Cups and the Empress. Okay, meron ka pang the lovers. Ano pa bang hahanapin nyo? They love you. Pero parang nasusuffocate sila dito eh. May suffocation dito. What is the situation? Okay, karma. May karmic soul ties kayo nitong person na to. Someone here has debts in the past. Okay, baka nasabotage yung relationship, parang ganun, may karmic ties. And this is the consequence kung bakit nangyayari ito sa inyong dalawa. Ending and beginning, ending and beginning. Parang it's a cycle. We have the breaking point, limit, final straw, overwhelmed. So, someone here feels overwhelmed with your relationship. So, wag niyo silang pilitin. Wag niyo silang pilitin makipag-communicate. Give them time to miss you. Parang ganun. Or give yourself some time to think kung ikaw naman yung nakipag-break, no? Ikaw yung nasa-suffocate. Yun ang nakikita ko dito sa relationship na to. And let's see kung ano naman yung mga challenges using shadow love. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga challenges. Kasi kahit soulmate kayo, no? Gusto din naman nila ng freedom. Gusto nila na makahinga sila. Yung ayaw nila na kayong dalawa lang, baka nagsasawa na sila sa mga ginagawa nyo. Parang ganun yung nakikita ko dito. Nagsasawa sila. Oh, self-righteous. Someone is self-righteous dito. Yung laging tama. Yung very preachy. Okay. Spiritual superior. Parang ganun. Self-righteous itong person or someone here. It could be you or your person, no? So, mag-reflect ka dyan. Sino ba yung self-righteous sa inyong dalawa? Okay? We have here controlling. Ayan, no? Very controlling. Ito yung sinasabi ko bakit sila nasa-suffocate. Because, they feel trapped in this relationship although they have a love na talagang di matutumbasan. Given that we have the energies of Ten of Cups, the Empress, and the Lovers. So, kahit meron silang love and so much love and loyalty, parang kapag very controlling ang situation yung dalawa, parang napapagod sila. Napapagod sila mag-reason out. Someone who is very tired. It could be you or your person, no? So, depende yan sa inyo. Needs to be right all the time. That time, possessive, jealous lover. Parang, yeah, kaya siguro may Four of Cups. Oo. We have the tangled web. Para kayong ano dito, Nakita ko na tong tangled web. Conflict justification. They really want to be free. No? They are tangled into some point. Kasi diba yung web, 'Diba, yung spider, tinatrap nila yung person, yung insect, 'no? Tapos inaano nila, kakainin nila later. Parang ganun yung nafe-feel nila, parang naka-trap lang sila. Kaya ito yung energy, trapped, stuck, tied down, captive. Kasi parang feeling nila na-trap sila sa isang situation na hindi sila makahinga. So, siguro in your recent conversation, nasabi na nila sa'yo 'to. And this could be the reason kung bakit nakipag-break sila or nakipag-cool off. But I don't think na may ending itong relationship na 'to. Hindi pa 'to, unfinished business pa ito. Kasi they still love you. They still see you as their soulmate. Okay, let's see what else do we have here. I am afraid to lose you. Ayan. So, they're afraid to lose you, or you may be feeling this way for them, no? Parang ito yung feelings mo para sa kanila. You're afraid to lose them kasi you know to yourself, no? Soulmate talaga kayo. We have, I can express myself. Ayan. So, actually, ayaw nilang magsalita dito for of cups, eh. Ayaw nila mag-express. Kasi parang naano sila, parang ayoko na magsalita. Manahimik na lang ako sa isang tabi. Kasi nakakapagod. Yun yung nararamdaman ng person, or it could be you. No, ito yung nararamdaman mo. It depends on your situation. Why can't I tell you the truth? There's something truth. Okay, siguro ito yung reason, ito yung mga dahilan nila. Hindi lang nila masabi kasi napagod na sila kaka-explain. Siguro. In truth of how they feel about the situation. Parang ganun. I cry at night. So, someone is crying at night. Someone is missing you, or you're missing your person. Okay. Let's see. Other messages. Tingnan natin. No? So, kung namimiss ka nitong tao na to, minamanifest ka pa rin niya. Kasi alam nitong tao na to na soulmates kayo, or alam mo na soulmates kayo. I cannot support your actions. It's too much for me to deal with. Ayan. So, parang hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan dito. Meron kayong disagreement. Parang meron kang mga ginagawa na ayaw na nilang gawin mo, and they can't take it anymore. This situation has become very difficult for me to manage mentally. It's draining me. So, ito yon. Yung person nyo, parang natrap sila sa sitwasyon kasi nasuffocate na sila. So, kaya sila kumawala. Yun. Kumalag. Ano ba yung mga Tagalog ko? Sorry, guys. But, they went away just to, think about themselves. Parang sarili muna nila yung iniisip nila dito. Kasi nade-drain sila sa relationship nyo. They're very drained. Okay. We have, I am seeing someone but I'm not ready for you to know about them. Ayan. They're seeing someone. Siguro itong someone na to, parang they're entertaining some other people. Yun. Although they know that you are soulmates, no? Hindi naman kasi porket may love pa rin sila sa iyo, porket iniisip pa rin nila na soulmates kayo, they just want to, siguro rebound ito, they just want to entertain some other people para, alam mo yun, di ka nila isipin every night, or di mo sila isipin every night. So, it really depends on your situation kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. So, itong mga energies na to, vice versa po ito. And, this is your reading, pal number 3, and thank you so much for coming here. I hope you liked and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Stellars, love and light. Namaste.